Here, you might need the keys. Still has no exhaust. Drop that e-brake a little bit so I can pull this rock. Okay. Sounds like crap. Absolute junk. After we put the brakes and stuff on, we never actually bolted the exhaust back up after like the hanger snapped. So it's just been not good. Need this. I say we bolt this on and then we just cut the muffler off.
Why don't you just throw that on, that's it.
And just leave it there? Because it'll dump right underneath under the car. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are having a great day. What we're doing today, the other day, or well, at this point a couple weeks ago, the other day I was under the deck. I said the other day again after I just said it was a week ago. Whatever, I was under the deck and I was getting some spare tires and I found this cute little donut that came on the Civ. It's like a Space Saver spare tire, so it's like super thin. It's like a bike tire. And it came in the Civ, we took it out right away because we were doing something and we just ditched the spare tire for no good reason. Something came to my mind and I was like, I wonder how long you could do a burnout on a spare tire. Basically today what I want to find out is how long you can do a burnout on a spare tire, especially these little Space Saver ones. I don't know why, there's no real point, it just sounds like fun.
I charge the battery.
Can I charge the battery? Oh, I unplugged it to plug in my computer. I did my first ever live stream today. Me and Emerson live streamed from inside the garage. That was super cool. Thank you to everybody that showed up. I explained what's going on with Project Rally. If you missed it, you can go back and watch it. I uploaded it to the channel after we streamed it so you guys can see that. Hey, I found my missing brake clean. Found you. See you on the other side. Oh, dude.
Oh, see you later, car. I almost ran over your foot, dude.
You done making all the noise? You want to see if it sounds any better?
It's not gonna sound any better.
Sounds like shit.
What are you doing?
Seat back, bro.
You asked me for an easier way to take the e-brake out, and I told you.
I know.
The easier way.
This was the easier way. I just got to put the seat back now.
It's really this has more room in the back than any of our cars.
I know. It makes no sense. Get in. Dude, my Civ's boosted, so like you're not the tire doesn't even stand a chance. Tire, dude, we're gonna burn the tire off in like 5 seconds, like flat. Like it's gonna go from like cold to like shred. I'm gonna boost so hard on this tire. I'm gonna boost so hard on this spare tire. I'm gonna boost so hard. I'm gonna boost like all 6 pounds boost. Babe, you know 6 pounds is actually more than it seems? Did you know 6 pounds actually a lot? 6 pounds is a lot of boost. Like, your friend might say like 6 is nothing, but 6 is a lot of, I boost hard. My valve cover leaks, I boost so hard.
All day.
Oh, you don't even know. This tire is going down. The tire's probably gonna beat us. Civic will probably blow up before the tire does. Okay, let's go do some hood rat shit. Actually not bad. Oh my god. Taking off into outer space, dude. That legit sounded like an airplane. For anybody that is new to the channel and just clicked on this video, please do not think that this is how I enjoy my cars. I hate this. That was so loud. Ready? Works, bro. We're gonna go to this one spot that's close to home that I go to all the time. There was people taking wedding photos there, so out of the sake of I didn't want to fill the back of their wedding photos with a big cloud of smoke, we decided to be nice and leave. I could do a burnout right here anywhere in the middle of the road and then just leave. But I'm burning out till the tire dies and then swapping it, so we gotta find somewhere where I can like not be bugged at all or bug anyone. So we've drove a couple hours now. We just stopped. Emerson got some dinner. We got the biggest water bottle we could find, but we think we're almost onto something, so I'll catch you guys there. We found a spot. We finally got ourselves a little spot where we think this is gonna work. There we go. Now you guys can see me. We're in the middle of nowhere and we just found, like, we picked up Brad and Courtney, so now we have extra people, and Brad has this flashlight. Let's show them your flashlight. Turn it off for a sec. Okay, so that's what the Civ looks like right now where we are, and then turn on your flashlight.
Oh,
nope.
Shit.
Nope.
Sorry.
Yeah, look at that, dude. So what, he's just gonna stand here with the flashlight like wide open like this so that we can see the car. This is like that is the best thing that's happened tonight. Yeah. That flashlight showing up is the best. Had a great little road trip, me and Emerson, but I think it's time to do what we came here for. Look at this thing, dude. It's like a bike tire on here. If the car bottoms out,
yeah, then
we'll still send it, dude. It's all good. Oh my god. That is a good look. We should rock 4 of those. Let's center this boy in the road. Dad's in charge of keeping the car lit. Emerson's gonna be in charge of camera. Oh gosh.
I was running with you.
Oh, were you?
Yeah.
Okay, I didn't know what you guys were doing, so I was like, what if I get away from them? I can't breathe. Look in there. Look in the car. Dude, I was holding my breath for so long. I was like, I can't do this. We need to put the other window down, man. Fuck.
Leave the hatch open.
Oh yeah, well, the hatch open's a good idea. Dude, I started rolling and I was like, okay, I'll go forwards. I couldn't see shit.
Jesus.
How are we doing up there? Let's get it going before it gets too cool. That way it counts as 1. Look at that tire.
Oh, it's gonna blow. I don't want to hear this noise. Oh no.
Keep going! Keep going! Keep going!
Okay, drive it over here. Drive it over here.
Wow.
Wasn't that loud, to be honest.
That wasn't loud.
You could hear it about to go.
Really?
Yeah. Look at that. Jeez. Brutal.
Wow. Was that good or what?
That was
Did you
dope.
get sparks?
Yeah. Yeah, I told you
Nice.
when I said keep on going.
Because I couldn't hear it sparking.
Okay,
Yo, I wonder how long that was. We didn't even put bets down. We were too excited to see what it would be. Probably over a minute of burning out.
Combined?
Combined, probably over 1 solid minute. Dude, that was good. I didn't even feel it. I felt it go. Oh, we're solid in here, buddy. We're solid, man.
I saw flames underneath the car.
Really? Like out of the exhaust?
Yeah, no, I saw it underneath. It wasn't the tire too. It was something else. Did you see that?
Yeah. That's all right though. She good. She good. We running.
Okay, let's go. Back it up. Back it up.
You back it up, dude. Feel what it's like to drive on a steel. It's bullshit. Dude, that was successful, man. I'm actually stoked. Where was my final one?
This one.
Oh, right there, where it went right into the concrete. What do you want to do?
I'm gonna just see if I can roll and then just like spin it.
Oh, like do a rolling burnout? Okay, stop. Wait. Let me go on the side. Go more. You're in the ditch. Go more in the road. Roll into boost. Roll. I have no idea what the time was on that. I'm feeling like it was about a minute. We were gonna place bets and stuff before we did it, but we were just so stoked to do it that we completely forgot. So I will definitely have edited in the time, but I can't lie to you guys. I can't make stuff up. Whatever the time says right down here, that's how long you can do a burnout on a spare tire.
Flames when I was rolling.
That was awesome. That's awesome. That's hilarious. But yeah, and then Brad has a piece of the sidewall. Dude, this is literally, I'm keeping this. Because they're not supposed to go over 80 kilometers an hour, those tires.
Not at all.
So doing a fat burnout is probably not the best thing for it, but I wonder how long that actually made it. I'm feeling like it was about a minute. What are you doing?
I tried to close it. Fucking idiot. idiot! I can't put the pin on.
Now we're putting out fires that don't exist. Okay, kids, let's get out of here. Dude, I'm proud of this car, man. This car has yet to let us down, like, big time. Oh, it did, so it didn't explode, eh? So, like, it didn't fully explode? Oh, yeah,
I'm saying the tumor happened.
Yeah. There it is. So there was a tumor there, and then it exploded. Bead came off. The rim is just
if we
pooched from driving on it a little bit. That's true. If we had more air in it, it might have exploded better, but
like
whatever. This is the carnage. That's awesome. I had to take into account the fact that I started and stopped a couple times, but like that was I had no choice. It was either that or like die inside the car. So, and then the first time I just didn't have the e-brake up high enough, but that was awesome. That was a lot of fun. If you guys want to see more videos like this, if you guys have ideas for videos like this, be sure to comment them and let us know, because I want to also do more fun stuff like this where there's just no point. We just did it for fun. So rip to the spare tire. I hope everybody enjoyed. Now you guys know if you have a spare, you can do a burnout for this long. That's goofed.
Do you see how much the car like? Okay.
We're getting a new kid anyways.
Okay. Oh my god! Look what Brad did.
Oh, is that from the fire extinguisher?
Holy jeez.
But that's it. That's where I'm going to leave you guys with today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out and stay committed.